welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna and welcome to another home decor related video. So guys, the festive season is on and today I'm going to be showing you guys my living and my dining area. So it's basically a living and dining tour video related to the winter season. So I'm going to show you guys how I revamp my living space for winters, especially for Christmas. So you'll see a lot of festive elements going on. And if you guys haven't checked my separate living and dining room tour videos, then do check them out. I will link it somewhere on the top. And before I start the video guys, एक छोटी सी request है. I have started my online makeup courses on my website shimmerandmuse.com. The link is given here and in the description box. If you want to learn makeup, if you can't travel distances, if you don't have the time to travel and get out of the house, then please go enroll on my website and enroll on these classes and just learn the professional way of doing makeup. So guys, once you enroll to these makeup classes, you will get to learn the professional way of doing makeup. So our first module is live. It's a 1 hour long class. I have taught a very easy but very glamorous yet a very subtle makeup look on this tutorial or this makeup module or class, and I have taught all the professional ways of doing makeup. I have shared all my secrets, all my tips as a makeup artist. So go ahead, log on to my website shimmerandmuse.com and enroll for these classes, and they are very reasonably priced. Trust me guys, it's really reasonable for maximum of us to access these classes. So please go check it out and stay tuned for many more different modules coming up super soon on my website. And now let's start with the living room and dining room tour video. Okay guys, so first of all let me give you an overview, grammatical mistake, an overview of my living. So I have already done a separate video on how I did my Christmas tree. So this is my little Christmas tree which I am loving, and when the lights are off it looks even more beautiful. And today I just added this Santa socks because I just took it out from my cupboard. It's my old Santa socks. You will get amazing Christmas stuff on Amazon guys. So if you don't have stores in your city where you will get Christmas stuff, just check out Amazon. You will get amazing stuff from Amazon. So this is my Christmas tree. And then coming on to this side, I have placed all Christmassy cushions. So I have these plain red ones and then these ones from Christmas tree. And then I got these very English looking cushions from Sarojini Nagar. You will find a few shops in Sarojini Nagar that have some really nice collection of cushion covers. So this is one side of my living. The sofa is decorated like this alongside the Christmas tree. Then coming on to this side, I have this fur rug. Actually I have two of these. This is the smaller one, I have a bigger one, or this is the bigger one, I don't remember. Where did I get this from? Kirti Nagar. Okay, Nirmal's. So the shop name is Nirmal in Kirti Nagar. They have a huge store and they had lots of these rugs of different colors. I got white and I got two, but you can also find the exact same on Amazon. It will cost you somewhere around 3,000 to 4,000, depends on the size, but the quality is really really nice. This is not synthetic-y. It's actually very good quality fur. It's faux fur, but it's very very good quality. So I always put this fur rug on one of my couches in winters. And then I have this Santa socks. This one is from Archie's. I have this really nice cushion, says home, from Amazon, and this cushion is also from Amazon, and those are the plain cushions. Moving on to this side, again I have some Christmassy stuff going on. The same cushion cover which I have on the other sofa. I will mention the link of the website from where I got this cushion cover and this one as well. I'm forgetting the name, but they have really good stuff, really good stuff. I will surely mention the name of the website. Do check it out. And then I have this really nice like blanket. It's a very thick warm blanket, but you can also you can use it as a spread. So it's a blanket comes spread, and I just lay it on one of my sofa. And this is another kind of a cushion cover. It is actually a cushion only, but it's a very differently shaped cushion. It's from Mango People. Their Instagram page is where I got to know them from, so you can get it from Mango People. And then on these sofas, I'm sorry for my slippers, I have just placed these two cushion covers or cushions with again the Christmas snowflake print going on. It's actually embroidery, it's not even print. And I think I got these one also from Sarojini, from that same shop. Okay guys, this is my Christmas tree. If you guys want to know how I did my Christmas tree, then check my Christmas tree decor video. I will link that for you guys. These are my Christmas socks. These are from H&M. These booties are also from H&M. Even H&M has amazing Christmas stuff. And this is my rug. I changed my rug. If you guys have been watching my videos, I had another rug here. Now I have replaced it with this all white kind of rug. This is from Delhi Hut. You get amazing rugs in Delhi Hut. Now coming on to my coffee table, I have a table runner going on with, of course, this beautiful Christmas pattern. This is also from Sarojini, from the same shop. Now where is this shop? I'll tell you. There is a very famous lane in Sarojini called Alpana Kalpana. In that lane, if Alpana Kalpana is on your left hand, just keep going straight, and on your right hand you will see 2-3 shops selling cushion covers and curtains and all of that. So this shop will be the last shop on your right hand side in Alpana Kalpana lane, and it is bang opposite Quick Bite. Quick Bite एक restaurant है, उसके bang opposite ये shop है. He has amazing collection of cushion covers, curtains, runners, all of that. So you can check out. And then I just placed a red bowl with some candies, and I decorated this tray. I keep switching my decorative stuff a lot. So sometimes I place on my bar, sometimes on my dining table, sometimes on my coffee table. So I just keep shuffling the stuff here and there. So my little snake plant. Then I have this red glass decorative. It has copper light inside, so you can lit it up. It doesn't require electricity. It runs on battery. And then I have a candle. So the candle and this red jar, both are from Home Center. Then some Christmas balls and stuff. And then I had this crystal jar at home, and I just placed some more Christmas stuff inside just for the look and feel, and I placed it here. And this is how my coffee table looks like right now. Cool? Okay guys, so this is my living and I'm absolutely loving it. And I always tell in my home decor videos that you don't have to change your fixed stuff, your furniture, because it's not possible. Just play around with cushion covers, add lights, add little bit of decorative accents here and there, bases the theme, and you can completely transform the theme of your home, of your living space, without investing too much money and time. Okay, now there is a side table. I just placed a Santa socks and this little cupcake. These are candies which my son got as a gift in a Christmas carnival. Now coming on my dining area, I kept it very simple. There is no tablecloth right now. I just placed this beautiful table runner, again from the same shop in Sarojini Nagar, the one that I just explained you. It's a very beautiful table runner. I loved it, and it was one of my friend's choice, so thank you. And then I just placed a few stuff like same cupcake, some chocolates in this pack. So we got it as a gift and I really liked it, and I thought I'll just place it here. And then I have this really cute little candle stand with Santa. It's from Amazon. Okay guys, and another one on this side, same Santa going on. And then I had some tissues, hand paper tissues in gray and white, and these ones in red with polka dot, and I think they look absolutely stunning and so Christmassy, and I placed them in my tissue stand. The stand is from the wishing chair, and these tissue papers are, I don't remember, but I think I got them from Karol Bagh, some crockery shop, some local crockery shop. And I also placed a golden glass in the center. I can put a tea light inside it and I can lit it up. So this one is also from Home Center. And then I had these table mats, okay, with Christmas print. These are from Amazon. You can get these easily off Amazon. You can also get them from local shops. A lot of shops are there in Karol Bagh in Delhi. If you happen to go that side, you can get a lot of stuff from there as well. So this is how my dining area looks like. So nothing much, but I still feel the house looks really Christmassy, really festive, cozy for the winters, and I'm absolutely loving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check my online makeup class, guys, and enroll and learn makeup. Do share your images with me on Instagram of your Christmas decor. I would love to see them, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Don't forget to leave your comments, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and Merry Christmas.